Hey there! Today, we're diving into the features of the JanSport Right Pack Backpack, a perfect blend of style and functionality. This durable daypack is crafted from premium Cordura fabric with a robust suede leather bottom, ensuring it stands up to daily wear and tear while looking sleek and sophisticated. With a spacious main compartment and a front pocket organizer, you'll have plenty of room for all your essentials, and the splash-resistant zipper hood adds an extra layer of protection. Your tech is safe with the dedicated padded sleeve designed to cushion a 15-inch laptop from bumps and shocks. Comfort is key, and the adjustable, straight-cut padded shoulder straps make carrying heavy loads a breeze, reducing strain on your back and shoulders. Plus, the integrated side pocket keeps your water bottle handy without compromising the backpack's streamlined look. Designed for those aged 13 and older, this backpack is your go-to for school, work, or travel, combining practicality with a touch of luxury. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.